Corn silage is a high-quality forage crop that is majorly used on dairy farms for food on beef cattle farms. Corn silage processes are no-till and double-cropping agricultural processes. We can rightly say that the process of manufacturing corn silages involves reusing waste products from a major farm crop, maize. Many companies carry on corn silage production on large scales. These companies make use of efficient machinery, custom processes, and well-tailored research to come up with the best corn silages. You wonder if it's just a process of reusing the waste product of a farm produce. What should be so technical therein? Well, if you're using corn silage for cattle feeding and other farm purposes, you have to get the ones of the highest quality. This would enhance the growth and development of your cattle and/or farm animals. So today, we're going to look into some of the renowned machines used by large-scale corn silage or forage producers in efficient harvesting and processing. Let's dive right in. Number 15. Krone Big X1180. The Krone Big X1180 is widely regarded as the world's most powerful corn silage harvester. Well, the machine is a machine of high capacity. In this machine, the extra engine power is generated by the 24.24-litre, 850 kilowatt by 1165 horsepower Liebherr V12 engine. If you are well into mechanical engineering, you know that this build is a giant one for a forage harvester. The oil filter and valve service intervals on this model have all been extended to 1,000 hours, and all models in the range of this specification are naturally compliant with the emission stages 5 and Tier 4F. A plus to this powerful machine is the Krone lift cab build. Let's take a look at some of the best features of this machine. OPTIMAX 250 roller. This build gives the Krone Big X1180 machine its shearing effect. The roller conditioner in this machine comes with an OPTIMAX 250 corn conditioner that is slanted at a 5-degree angle, which results in faster and more efficient harvesting. The way this feature works is that it creates a shearing effect as the blade moves on the crop, leading to an intensive cut not only in axial but also lateral direction. OPTIMAX 350 roller. It is only this machine that can use large diameter conditioning rollers at a higher engine power and throughput. This is made possible by the OPTIMAX 350 feature. As a result, the conditioner's rollers increase to 350 mm in diameter with its teeth slanted at an angle. With this feature, the friction surface area and the circumferential speed of its operation are increased. The OPTIMAX 350 roller is unique for its super efficient crop harvesting and intensive crop treatment, even in long-leaf crops. As the diameter grows, the number of teeth increases as well. This roller also aids handling with its new housing resting in massive easy-to-service bearings. Swapping bearings, rollers, and pulleys work together to alter the speed difference from 30% to 50%. So, every cleaning operation is made simple as a result of large service channels. This roller also has a feature that monitors the temperature inside the bearings and displays it on a screen to ensure safe operation. What more makes these rollers' features enticing? Both OPTIMAX 250 and 350 rollers mount in a massive spring assembly that allows them to exert consistently high pressure on the maize crop, so any treatment application is effective and thorough. This machine also has automatic counterblade adjustment, an easy load automatic filing system from the manufacturers, and a moisture and nutrient meter with online Agri-NIR measuring. You can imagine all these high-tech research and harvesting features on a single harvester. Little wonder this machine is among the top options for efficient corn silage harvesting today. Number 14. John Deere 8600i. The John Deere product is another powerhouse for efficient corn silage harvesting. This harvester is a self-propelled machine that offers world-class, easy-to-use controls and great display access and visibility. This product features a 625 horsepower engine, and it has an all-new design that enhances its service with an integrated KP hoist, easy header hookup, and ground-level fuel fill. From customer reviews, it is evident that this machine gives you advanced comfort in use. The heavy design components of this machine increase its reliability while improving its uptime and lowering its cost of production. You can be sure of getting the best quality forages for your animals. The engine's maximum power is 459 kilowatts, 625 PS, 616 horsepower. It also has a fuel tank capacity of 1100 litres, so you can be sure of an extended period of use. Number 13. Krone Big X700. This is another power machine from the manufacturers of the Krone Big X1180. This power harvester comes with the unique features of a cabin, all-wheel drive, metal detector, and air condition. If you're into industrial corn silage harvesting, this is something you can use as well. The harvesting process and technique is just world-class. Though this particular Krone product is not as powerful as its Big X1180 counterpart, it also possesses good power at 528 kilowatts. The back tyres of this machine are of the 540/65 R30 specification, while the front tyres are of the 650/75 R32 spec. The minimum and maximum pickup width of this machine are not bad at all at 3 meters. Importantly, the travel speed of this harvester is 40 kilometers per hour, so you are guaranteed of working effectively at a fast rate. You do not have to bother about the reliability of the machine. It's from the Liebherr manufacturer MS and has the D9508 engine type. For your quality harvesting and maize crop treatment, this harvester is also a very good pick. Number 12. John Deere 9900i. This is another reliable self-propelled harvester that is used in efficient large-scale corn silage harvesting. This engine is an upgraded version of the John Deere 8600i. You need to note that this does not make the 8600i build any less of a harvester. It just depends on your priority and preference. If you prioritize superpower, you might want to go for the 9900i version. Notwithstanding, both models will do the job effectively. The 9900i model boasts of 956 horsepower and a Liebherr V12 power engine. The driveline of this machine is designed to give you the optimal crop flow when the engine is operating at its highest level of efficiency. It has a ProStream crop flow designed with extra heavy-duty components for high performance. With this product, you can apply unlimited amounts of treatment to your maize crops within a limited period to improve your silage quality. This machine improves silage quality with 2 kernel processing options. Number 11. Class Jaguar 970. The Class Jaguar 970 machines have been redesigned with new running gear and the Class autofill system for automatic trailer loading to both the side and rear. Let's check some of its standout features. Hydrostatic drive adjusts front attachment speed automatically. The optimal new continuously variable front attachment drive enables efficient power transmission at varying speeds. This is particularly advantageous when harvesting with the pickup and the Orbis maize front attachment. If the chop length changes, the system automatically makes a corresponding adjustment to the front attachment speed. The result is a very even crop flow and improved chop quality. Furthermore, the operator can react to changing harvest conditions at any time by manually adjusting the automatically controlled front attachment speed. Efficient front attachment drive for every requirement. The constant speed mechanical drive that has proven itself over many years of practical use remains standard. However, the mechanical drive can now also be combined with a continuously variable drive. This split power variant with mechanical and hydraulic drive provides high power transmission at a constant speed. This allows the direct disc and maize pickers to be driven powerfully and extremely efficiently. Optimal crop flow by automatic adjustment of the drum concave. This power machine also features a newly enhanced crop flow system. One of its key features is the hydraulic clamping system for the shear bar, which allows the shear bar to be adjusted both accurately and quickly. During shear bar adjustment, the hydraulic clamp is released, allowing the shear bar to be adjusted without resistance, and so allows the shear bar to be set more accurately and puts less stress on the shear bar components. Once the shear bar has been set, the hydraulic system clamps and holds the shear bar into position. This not only improves chop quality, but also helps to reduce wear. In addition to the shear bar improvements of the Jaguar model, the sharpening system has also been upgraded with improvements to the access and maintenance of the sharpening system. Better guidance of the sharpening stone also helps to ensure that the chopping cylinder blades are in optimum condition. This machine also works with an automatically adjusted chopping cylinder concave. The chopping cylinder concave is attached directly to the shear bar mounting system and is automatically moved with the shear bar when it is adjusted. This means that the distance between the concave and the chopper cylinder remains constant as the chopping cylinder blades wear, therefore ensuring an even crop flow, regardless of the condition of the blades. What makes this machine all the more enticing to use is the fact that all these systems work well to save fuel and reduce wear from use. Number 10. Krone Big X780. The Krone Big X780 machine is yet another powerhouse for all corn silage harvest processes. You wonder how many model Krone wants to bore us with? Well, they're not boring us at all, as each model has its best use it can be put to. I'd recommend the Big X780 model for middle-level industrial corn silage processes. This particular equipment comes with a 570 kilowatt engine power, something that is good enough to carry out reasonable industrial harvesting and processing work. When it comes to the tires of this machine, it has the 540 by 65 R30 specification for the back tires and the 680 by 85 R32 specification for the front tires. The minimum and maximum pickup widths are the same as its other counterparts, 3 meters. The transport speed of this product is also something to be glad about, 40 kilometers per hour. The engine is also reliable, as it is the same as its other Krone products, a D9508 Liebherr engine. Many corn silage harvesting and processing experts usually favor Krone harvesters because of their immense travel speed and superpower engine type and horsepower. This does not necessarily mean that other corn silage harvester brands do not measure up. Other brands are very reliable as well, especially those that are mentioned in this video. Also, when it comes to choosing a particular Krone product for your work, you might hit a crossroads, and this should not be the case. The truth is that there are quite a handful of Krone models. You do not have to stress over a choice. What should guide your decision of purchase should be what you prioritize in your harvesting. Is it depth, speed, quantity, or technique? When you are sure of this, you'd make better informed decisions on your purchase options. Number 9. Class Jaguar 850. The Class Jaguar 850 machine is yet another powerhouse for all corn silage harvest processes. This is another model from the manufacturers of the 970 model. This particular equipment comes with a 340 kilowatt engine power, something that is good enough to carry out reasonable industrial harvesting and processing work. When it comes to the tires of this machine, it has the 500 by 70 R24 specification for the back tires and the 710 by 75 R32 spec for the front tires. The minimum and maximum pickup widths are 3 meters and 3.8 meters respectively. The travel speed of this product is a good feature of this machine, 40 kilometers per hour. The engine is also reliable, as it is the same as its other Class Jaguar products. An OM471 LA Mercedes-Benz engine. Mercedes-Benz is also another trusted manufacturer of harvesters, so you can trust this machine to do efficient work. Number 8. John Deere 8700i. The John Deere 8700i is another self-propelled corn silage harvester on our list. This machine comes with a high 755 horsepower with a QSK 19-litre engine. This model is an all-new design that delivers improved serviceability with an improved KP hoist. This is yet another great option for speedy harvesting processes. The John Deere 8700i product incorporates 1400 to 2100 RPM for its speed on the road. The fuel system also has unit injectors plus 4 valves for smooth running on prolonged hours. Number 7. Corn silage machine. Having examined some power machines used in corn silage harvest processes, let's digress a little to the intricacies of a corn silage machine. What should a standard corn silage machine possess to support efficient harvesting and research processes. We already have the basic knowledge of what a corn silage machine is. It is a machine used to make silage from waste products of the maize crop. It reduces wastage of maize and other similar silage crops by kicking the fodder in an airtight tube. What then should one that would be useful for industrial, large-scale silage purposes be equipped with? A standard corn silage harvester should have a working feed roller and feeding unit, drum and cutting chamber, sharpening unit, transfer unit, corn cracking unit, accelerator, and discharge spout. The feeding unit should contain smooth rolls, lower front feed rollers, upper feed rollers, bars, flanges, and wear plates. The cutting chamber should contain knives, shear bars, concaves, threaded plates, and other cutting technologies. The sharpening unit should contain a sharpening stone and a grinding door. The transfer unit should contain wear plates for chutes and grass fitting plates, while the accelerator should be made up of paddles, accelerator wear plates, blower unit wear plates, and rotor wear plates. You must compulsorily ascertain the effectiveness of these components for your corn silage harvester to be regarded as standard. Number 6. Class Jaguar 980. The Class Jaguar 980 machine is yet another superpower machine for all your corn silage harvest processes. This is another model from the manufacturers of the Class Jaguar 850 model. This particular model upgrades on power and sturdiness. It comes with a 650 kilowatt engine power, something that is good enough to carry out high-energy industrial harvesting and processing work. For the tires of this machine, it has the 540x65 R30 specification for the back tires and the 710x75 R34 spec for the front tires. The minimum and maximum pickup width are 3 meters and 3.8 meters respectively. The travel speed of this product is a good feature of this machine, 40 kilometers per hour. The engine of this power machine is different from other Class Jaguar machines. This machine has a D2862 MAN engine. If you are looking for a high-power Class Jaguar product, you should go for this. Number 5. Krone Big X630. The Krone Big X780 machine is another impressive option for all your corn silage harvest processes. This particular Krone build has theft protection attachments via a built-in battery and permanent magnets installed in a few seconds. What makes this feature very impressive is the fact that the installation is compatible with nearly every device. This particular equipment comes with a 480 kilowatt engine power, something that is good enough to carry out mid-level industrial corn silage harvesting and research work. This Krone equipment has a 540x65 R30 spec for the back tires and the 680x85 R32 spec for the front tires. The minimum and maximum pickup widths are both 3 meters. The travel speed of this product is 40 kilometers per hour. The engine is also reliable, as it is the same as its other Krone products. It has a 6R1500 MTU engine that you can trust for all stages of your corn silage processing. Number 4. Class Jaguar 40.000. The Class Jaguar 40.000 is not as popular as its other Class Jaguar counterparts, but it also does a very good job when it comes to efficient industrial corn silage processing. The Class Jaguar 40.000 model is a limited edition, as it has only 1,000 pieces of it. This product has a 1:32 scale model. Interestingly, this mod has a steerable and swingable rear axle, which makes it very easy to harvest your crops from different directions at the same time, in conjunction with its rotatable feed rollers. This is the first forage harvester to feature a factory-integrated crawler track system. The new concept offers optimal soil protection under all conditions, while remaining narrow enough for on-road travel. An intelligent headland protection system prevents damage to the grass cover and enables year-round operation. Number 3. John Deere 9900. The John Deere 9900 is another self-propelled corn silage harvester. This John Deere product is big on immense power. For high-intensity power, you should consider getting this product. Many users have attested to the fact that this machine works at the highest levels of energy with its giant 956 horsepower. You can imagine what you'd be able to achieve in just a day with this immense energy. This powerhouse has a driveline designed to deliver optimal crop flow when the engine is operating at its efficiency at the highest level. This model is an all-new design that delivers improved serviceability with an improved KP hoist. The only downside to this exceptionally powerful horsepower that comes with this engine is the low capacity of the machine's fuel tank. This machine can only contain 24 litres of fuel at its full capacity. This is very low compared to other harvesters of its category, but I guess you have to sacrifice something for another. Number 2. Corn silage harvesting machine at biggest farms. The silage harvesting processes at these big farms are virtually the same. The major differences are in the machines used. Sterling Heights Dairy Farm. Corn silage harvesting at Sterling Heights Dairy Farm is as industrial as you can imagine. Multiple harvesters are employed to do intensive harvesting and crop treatment daily. The machines used on their site are Mistake Krone and John Deere models. The silage expanse of hand is very wide, and there is usually a trailer alongside the harvester in which the image is usually emptied into an upward manner. After harvesting, a quality control process is done for each truckload of silage to ensure the quality of silage that will be fed to their cattle. We also want to note that quality treatment is given to the crops while nurturing to ascertain and ensure the quality of silage to be harvested later on. Fox Farms. At Fox Farms, the silage processing work is done mostly with Krone build harvesters alone. But with Fox Farms, the interesting thing is that they major in all forms of silage research and harvesting. They have harvesters that are dedicated to crop treatment for various test and hybrid processes. Their research work is not limited to silage alone. They also do research work on other farm and crop supplements like fertilizers and soil conditioners. For silage harvesting purposes, they even have specialists that work on villages harvested to ensure their quality and nutrient standard. Robinson Farms. Robinson Farms specialize in corn silage harvesting. They deal with only forage crops and have all kinds of forage harvesters to harvest efficiently. This farm uses Krone, Class Jaguar, and John Deere models of garage harvesters mostly for their work. Phoenix Farms. Phoenix Farms did not start with the purpose of forage harvesting. It was just added to the operation of the farm in 2006. Phoenix Farms today operates one of the best corn silage sites in the world. Krone build harvesters are majority used on their sites and they harvest every week. Congress Lake Farms. At Congress Lake Farms, the process is similar to that of Sterling Heights Dairy Farm. The harvester is accompanied by a truck to carry the harvested silage, which the harvester pours into the trunk of the truck in an upward direction. John Deere harvesters are majorly used on the Congress Lake Farm site. Similar processes are followed. Similar machines are used in silage harvesting processes in other big corn silage farms, especially silage farms in South Dakota and other areas of the United States. Number 1. Chopping corn silage harvest machine. There are also corn silage harvest machines that can be used for chopping corn harvesting techniques. What does chopping corn mean? This is when the whole corn plant is chopped and processed into silage by the harvester. When we say the whole crop, we mean the stalk, ear, leaves and all. Certain silage harvesters work well for corn chopping silage, and they include the John Deere 9600i harvester, the Class Jaguar 980, the John Deere 7250 forage harvester, and some others. Chopping corn silage is usually used for cattle feed and other high-fiber feed. Sterling Heights Dairy Farm produces chopping corn silage mainly due to its need for high-energy silage feed. That's it for today. It's been an exciting and interesting ride. Do you have any other corn silage or forage harvesting machine that you feel should have made the list? Let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn your notification bells on for instant updates on the next video.